And up next, some tax talk. Did you know that the new tax laws contains at least 50 tax exemptions and reliefs? Yes, there's some positives in it. So today we focus on rent relief, particularly in Nigeria under the 2025 Tax Act. It's paid by the federal government. I think that's one thing that you need to take note of, through a tax deduction, not a direct cash payment. And it benefits tenants who document their rent payments and reduces your taxable income by 20%, up to the 500,000 naira figure. So who benefits? Are you documented? Renters benefit, let's start from there. Only tenants who can provide verifiable proof of rent payments qualify. Low to middle income earners, the structure only favors those paying rent, especially lower earners, as it replaces general relief with a specific housing related benefit. And please note, this is not for homeowners. They're the big boys here, right? So property owners staying in their own homes are generally excluded from this specific relief. So how does it work? It's a tax deduction. The government, via the tax authority, no longer FIRS but NRS, allows eligible tenants to claim this tax relief, but of course they are going to, the deduction is up to 20%. They are going to have to provide evidence of that, and it's capped, like I did say before, at 500,000 naira. So let's do some calculation. Let's meet Tolu. He is he earns 2 million naira a year. His house rent, and I have to say this, he's living above his means. His house rent is also 2 million naira. And obviously with the personal income tax, there's that 800,000 naira cap, so that is not taxable. So if we can have the math up there, rent is 2 million, rent relief is 20% of the 2 million. So his rent relief, he's entitled to rent relief of 400,000 naira. His taxable income is 1.2 million naira. So the math is taxable income, that's 1.2 million naira, minus the rent relief, that's the 400,000 naira, that's 20% of what's his taxable income. That leaves him with 800,000 naira, which is a total taxable income. And for someone like him, it's 15% tax. And that obviously is 120,000 naira of tax payment. But yes, there are reliefs within this new tax law, and we'll continue to explore some of those reliefs, at least 50 of them. So it's maybe not as much as a burden as it sounds or comes off as. And that's your tax talk for today. That's it as well on today's edition of Business Edge.